Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Hello and welcome. Hey, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. And if you're a new subscriber or someone new watching this today and would consider subscribing, we would love that. I have a special treat today. We are traveling. We are going to state, and this is Celebrate States. Let's see what they have for us. Each month we go to a different state and we get to find out something new. Last month we went to Tennessee. We've been to Texas, California, Illinois, and today we're going to Massachusetts. Woo! I guess boo because we have Salem and maybe there's a lot of woo things go on in Massachusetts with I guess all the Salem witch stories and the things like that. That's the only thing I can think of. We got some little leaves in here to represent fall. And if you have never heard of Celebrate States, it's a relatively new subscription. It's $39.99 a month and it's $10 shipping. Each month you will get items which we'll find out that'll be about a certain state, and we'll find out, I guess you'd say, like small town crafts or foods, something that we probably didn't know, and if we went to Massachusetts we would find out. Or if you're planning a trip to Massachusetts, then you might find out some things that you want to specifically look into. But I want to also let you know that I have talked with the owner of Celebrate States, and he has given us a code for my subscribers, and it is Miss Jackie 20. If you use that code, you will get 20% off your first box. So if you want to try it out, that would be a great way to do it. And it's so generous of him to give us that discount. Alright guys, in each box we always get a map of the area so you can map out your trip. This here is our card. It's our product card. We got a boo handbag. Isn't that just adorable? Oh my goodness, goes with their massive booches. What a nice surprise. I love that. And I love the little dangly beads and the little tassel. Isn't that just adorable? That is so cute. It says at Celebrate States, we love holidays, but especially fall, y'all. We are so excited to bring you the Massachusetts box with a mix of items from small businesses in Massachusetts as well as items that celebrate fall in October. We would like to give a shout out to our talented director, art and photography, Isa Hernandez, for continuing to provide great photography and artwork each month. Let's see, Bonnie's Jam, it says. We love about this black and blue jam. Well, I need to find some jam in here. Let me show you what the box looks like after I got all that out. And just so if you don't remember, the boo, or if I didn't show it to you, the boo's sitting on top. And I've already pulled that out. We also have Haunted Happenings. Woo, in Salem, just like I thought. Yeah. My sister's been to Salem, and she says she swears she had a ghost following her. And she even had pictures of like a shadow shaped like a woman in a lot of her photos. I seen it, and it was really eerie. So, I think there is some hauntings in that area. But anyways, we can find out more about that through there. And we got lots of little shreds in here. But I think I'm finding this. Black and blue. This is a black and blue jam. And the way it tastes is like biting into a fresh blueberry and blackberry with each bite. Let's hear from Bonnie what she has to say about flavor of jam. Well, let's get it open so we can have a better look. And let's see if we can get into this. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. Do y'all like blueberries and blackberries? I do. I bet this jam tastes delicious. Black and Blue's wonderful combination of lush purple sun-ripened blueberries and blackberries makes a delicious match for savory aged cheeses. For memorable pairing, Black and Blue is delicious on a fruit tart. But that sounds good. I mean, I like jam on toast, don't you guys? Or biscuits. So, I mean, there's a lot of ways you could have this. This is a win. Our next item, when is the last time you've been into a luscious caramel? especially one salted with Cape Cod's sea salt. Well, let's see if we got some sea salt in here. Well, we don't have sea salt. We have caramels. Yum. Oh, I love caramels, don't you? Especially made with sea salt. All right, guys, let's find out about this. McCree's Candies, Boston, Massachusetts, founded in 2010 and based in Boston. McCree's products are sold in specialty food markets, gift shops, wine and spirit stores, and other boutique retailers. Additionally, we sell to corporate customers, event planners, and promotional marketing professionals. We also sell direct to the consumer at our website, and they have premium ingredients in their foods. They use real food for real flavor, locally sourced cream, milk, and butter. No corn syrup. Yay! I can eat this. Ever, ever, ever. For fair trade, organic vanilla, gluten and nut, peanut and soy free. I'm really loving what I'm reading on here. No artificial flavors or colors, reusable, recyclable, biodegradable packaging printed with soy inks. Well, I got a little bit carried away at the end. I was so excited to find out all the natural things that were in these candies because, as y'all know, I'm very sensitive to so many things, and it has to be almost organic or GMO free. There's just a lot of things. So I am looking forward to taking a bite out of these. Let's see what we have here. Well, they're definitely caramels, and they're all wrapped up here, and I'm only going to take a little taste so I can at least tell y'all how it tastes. And you know it's going to be real gooey because it's caramel. I mean, you know, get real. But I can tell you right now, very, very good. This is another win. Yay! Our next item is the Boo Bag, which we already seen the Boo Bag, but we wanted to celebrate October with a useful and cute item, and the Blue Bag was born. We enlisted the help of our trusty design group, Southern Crafted, for this product. The Boo Bag is perfect for makeup, shaving kit. We hope you find many uses for your bag. Well, I'm sure I will, and I love it. I mean, if I was a little kid, it'd be a small trick-or-treat bag, but it'd be cute. Maybe I'll go as an adult. Okay, guys, let me tell you what they say. What would an October box be without a product from Salem, Massachusetts? The Doom and Bloom soap is the perfect decorative soap to set out this month. Red Antler Apothecary has many ethical sourced products that are great for skin issues like psoriasis and eczema, which I have. You can view all their options at their website. Alright, I've got to check this out, guys. This is some soap I can use. Let's see what it looks like. It's in a black bag, we know that. And I could smell it before I was getting it out. Look at that. Isn't that cool? It's got some naturalness to it. I guess like fall leaves pressed into there. So cool. And then it's marbled with the black and gray. And this is their card. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And then there's their business card. Rachel Chandler. It smells wonderful. Alright guys, another win. Salem, Massachusetts. I'm going to drop that little card in there to keep it all intact. Very nice. Our next item, a lollipop. While we wanted to bring you some of the adorable lollipops from Melville Candy Company, Randolph, Massachusetts, we were unable to get the quantity that we needed in time. We wanted to give a shout out to the company, home of the Lobster Lollipop and family-owned business. We hope you enjoy the similar lollipops to the themed ones we were planning on providing for Mel's shop. All their candy is at melvillecandy.com. So we got this, and there's a lot of shred in here. There may be some other. Yeah. We got a pumpkin and a ghost. And these are similar items, and I'm sure they're probably just as good. And who wouldn't like a lollipop, right? But those are the lollipops from Melville. Very tasty and very decorative. Those would be cute decorations just sitting out too. Okay, guys, we got a what everybody seems to love. We got a Boo candle. Oh wow, let's look in here. Ooh, it looks like it's gray. It seems like I smell coconut. The Boo candle, continuing our Boo theme this month, the Boo candles come in a variety of scents. We will do our best to match your favorite scent. That is on our survey you completed at checkout. Well, my scent is, I'm not sure what it is. Just says it'd match it. But on here, all it gives us is warning, information, and burning instructions. So I'm going to go with, I told you I thought it had a coconut smell, because that is one of my favorite scents, and I just love to eat coconut too. But that's what it kind of smells like to me. We've added a featured fall item to round out our October box. Which item will you receive? Which one we choose for you? We hope you love it. So here's mine. And it says, Hello Fall. Can you see that? I want to leave it intact because I may gift this out sometime. But isn't that cute? It's a nice, handy, large size wine glass. And as much as I love wine, I'll probably end up keeping it. But it says, Hello Fall, love. That is very nice. So this was the featured fall item. And it was a surprise and one that they chose for us. And I like it very much. Thank you, Celebrate States. Thank you, Dane. Thank you for giving our subscribers a 20% off discount for their first box. Hey guys, there's still time to get this box, I think. You would have to go to their site, celebratestates.com. It's October. It's getting toward the end of October, but a lot of times they'll ship a box all the way till the end of the month. So if you're interested in the Massachusetts box from Celebrate States, go check and see if you can get it. If not, and you want to get the next box, go ahead, subscribe, use Miss Jackie 20 and get your 20% off. But I am very excited. I love my box. As a recap, we got the gift, which is a glass that says Hello Fall. Got that. Got our Boo candle. Got our Dim and Bloom soap. We got our delicious caramels. Yes, they were very good. We got our wonderful and delicious blue and black, so blackberry and blueberry jam. We got our Boo bag. And we got our little lollipops. Aren't those cute? We also got a sticker that says Happy Halloween 2021. And this is from Izzy's Photos Photography. And they did some of the work on the design of some of the art in here. And then we got these little leaves for decoration. So, and as always, we always get a map and information about the state. So that's it. Why don't you just run right over there and check it out. Hey guys, that's it for today. I want to thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed, hey, why don't you subscribe? I'll be having a giveaway coming up. I've got several giveaways coming up. So keep an eye out for those and you may have a chance to win. And I want to thank all my subscribers again. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I would like for you all to make a comment. What was your favorite item in this box? Did you have a favorite? My favorite, it's going to be really tough. Those caramels were good. But I'm going to go with the Boo bag. I thought that was just really cute. So, but I know I'm going to like everything. It's another great hit with Celebrate States. And this is all we have today, guys. And as always, I wish you a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.